Isidumbu salengane sitholwe izisebenzi ezimbili zikamasipala ekuseni izolo epulazini eliphakathi komgwaqo Wellington noStellenbosch ku-R44 zithi zizithele phezu kwekhanda nesidumbu kulahlwe lapha. Lezi zisebenzi zithi zisethukile namanje emva kokubona lo muka.
Yes, I was informed, alerted yesterday morning about the gruesome discovery of the fetus of this baby here in this Zurich station. So I came here and I immediately informed also the MEC of local government in the Western Cape.
Umasipala uthi uzohlinzeka ngosizo lokweluleka ngokwengqondo kulezi zisebenzi. uBilly Klassen uthi kunzima nokuya emsebenzini.
You can see that the workers were very traumatized, so I've asked them to organize like in trauma counseling for the workers, because as they have said now, yesterday also to me, it's not the first time that they got like a fetus in the system, but no one organized trauma counseling for them. And you can see that this morning I also spoke to them. They are very traumatized about what the discovery of yesterday.
Lesigameko sesibili ukwenzeka kulesiphehlimanzi kanti sekunxuswe noma ngubani ongaba nolwazi ezenganeno noma athinta amaphoyisa.